Hello everyone, just getting the track prepared for the Mega Bowl 2.0. Well, track's a little bit overgrown, but Mega Bowl's coming, so we got to get riding, get training. We have the track that we're going to be riding, and if you're just watching this on YouTube, it's the world's coolest pit bike track. Not really, but it's a pretty cool track for being in the middle of town, kind of, sort of. So, as per last year, starting gate's going to be over there. Come around, hit the jump, but there's been changes. So, come down here, got to get ripped up. The lawn has overtaken the track. Get my track markers in here. But, corner comes down here. Back up. Turns around there to this double. It's hard to see on the camera, but a bit of a double. And then instead of last year track coming down going that way, we have changed it. Got a little bit of a berm in here. Try and balance the camera a little bit better. Down here, and this is with the Honda 110s, literally second gear, shift right in here, or sorry, first gear around the corner, shift into second right about here, and wide open. As fast as you can, and then seat bounce to make the step up. Probably, let's see, I would think about 2 feet. You got to make it. Bit of a gap. It's not huge, but you're on 110s going up a hill. Me being 240 pounds is wide open on the 110s to seat bounce. Looks way cooler that way. Anyways. Come around the shed. I would love to actually go a little bit wider and come back in and bank the side of the shed. We'll see. One day. We got one project after another. That will be out of the way. And then we wrap around the tree. Back down. Mega Bowl ready almost. Back up and go. Gonna be a party, and if you're not part of that, then that's a cool idea for a pit bike track in the backyard. Thanks for watching, guys.